Hey smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we're taking to the skies with two drones that are making waves. On the left, we've got the sleek and mighty DJI Mini 4 Pro, and on the right, the budget-friendly but feature-packed DROCON Drone. Buckle up, because it's about to get airborne. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the wallet: price. The DJI Mini 4 Pro will set you back a cool $759. It's like buying a first-class ticket to drone heaven. Meanwhile, the DROCON Drone is just $109. That's like getting an economy ticket, but hey, at least you're on the flight, right? Reviewers note that while the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a significant investment, its features justify the cost. On the other hand, DROCON Drone users appreciate the affordability, especially for a beginner or a child. Now onto the cameras. The DJI Mini 4 Pro boasts some seriously impressive specs. With its 20km FHD video transmission, it's like having the eyes of a hawk. If that hawk had a 4K camera. Reviewers love the 4K 60 FPS recording and 48 megapixels photos. On the other hand, the DROCON Drone offers a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's not quite hawk vision, more like a very enthusiastic pigeon. But for its price, users find the camera functional for casual use. When it comes to ease of use, DJI Mini 4 Pro has omnidirectional obstacle sensing. It's basically the drone equivalent of having spidey senses. You'll be dodging trees, birds, and probably your neighbor's cat. Users, especially beginners, appreciate this feature. The DROCON Drone, however, keeps it simple with a headless mode and one-key start style land. It's like the drone world's version of training wheels, perfect for beginners or if you're just really bad at flying things. Many reviewers find it easy to set up and operate, making it a great choice for kids. Battery life, the bane of every drone enthusiast. The DJI Mini 4 Pro offers extended battery life for uninterrupted flights. You can explore vast landscapes without the dreaded, low battery beep haunting your dreams. Reviewers do suggest keeping extra batteries on hand though. The DROCON Drone gives you about 24 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. Not bad, but you might want to keep a charger handy, or pray for tailwinds. Users appreciate the extra battery, but note the overall shorter flight time. Special features. The DJI Mini 4 Pro has active track 360 degrees and customizable intelligent tracking. It's like having a mini Spielberg in the sky, directing your aerial masterpiece. Reviewers praise its advanced features and capabilities. The DROCON Drone, however, brings some fun to the table with gesture recognition, voice control, and 360-degree flips. It's like the drone equivalent of a party trick. Impressive, but maybe not Oscar-worthy. Users find these features entertaining, especially for kids. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro receives high praise for its advanced features, camera quality, and ease of use, making it a strong contender for both beginners and professionals. Reviewers appreciate its durability and performance, even in challenging conditions. On the other hand, the DROCON Drone is highly recommended for its affordability and ease of use, particularly for beginners and children. While it doesn't match the DJI Mini 4 Pro in terms of advanced features or camera quality, it offers a fun and accessible entry point into the world of drones. So which drone should you choose? If you have the budget and want top-tier performance with all the bells and whistles, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is your flying Ferrari. But if you're looking for a fun, easy-to-use drone that won't break the bank, the DROCON Drone is your go-to. Either way, you're in for some sky-high adventures. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly safe, smart shoppers, and see you in the next video.